First is how to change the color of command prompt. Here is the list of colors available. To change the color of command prompt, just type color, followed by color code. To change the color of background, you can use two color codes simultaneously. First one refers to the background color and second one refers to the text color. Second is hiding a folder using command prompt. Go to that directory where that folder locates. Now type the following command followed by folder name. By using this trick you can permanently hide your folder. Now to unhide that folder, simply type the following command followed by folder name. In my case, folder name is OmegaTech. Third is how to secure a folder using command prompt. Now go to that directory where you want to create a secure folder and type the following command. Now secure folder is created. It is non-deletable and non-movable. You can put any file in this folder. To delete this folder, simply type the following command. Before deleting this folder, make sure that this folder is empty. Fourth is how to check the running tasks in our system. To do this, type the following command and hit enter. This will show the list of running tasks in the computer system. Following command will display the detailed status of running tasks. Fifth is shortcut to open CMD window in specific directory path instead of using cd command. Simply go to that specific directory. Click on the address bar and type CMD and then hit enter. Now you directly go to the specific directory path in command window. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more such amazing contents.